Hello and welcome to LinkedIn Strategies for Success. This is Clora Skiley. I'm a performance coach, seminar leader, radio show host, and author, and I'm dedicated to help you not only figure out your gifts and your abilities, but also show you how to share them with the world. And LinkedIn is a great tool to help you do that. That's why I'm so excited that you're here today. LinkedIn boasts over 135 million members worldwide. It's the most popular business social network and is stacked with movers, shakers, and a demographic full of purchasing power. It's a very powerful tool for professionals to market their companies, their products, and themselves. So this is definitely a tool you want to use, so you made a wise decision by enrolling in this class. Now, what will you learn in this course? The course is structured into 7 distinct modules that cover a specific objective. These are short, to-the-point segments that will give you the information you need to make the most out of this tool. Module 1 is Eureka, and you'll learn how to LinkedIn differentiates itself from other social media tools. And you'll figure out the reason you need to have a LinkedIn profile. Module 2, The Peak, helps you select the most effective profile picture and cover photo. You will also learn how to optimize your headline, your summary, your websites, and any additional content on your profile. You will choose the profile settings that best match your professional goals. Module 3 is The Platform, so you'll leverage LinkedIn by using it to expand your network. You will learn the power of LinkedIn groups, you will manage and organize your current network, and you'll learn LinkedIn etiquette to make your LinkedIn efforts as effective as possible. Module 4 is The Muse, to become inspired, to discover why it's essential to post articles on LinkedIn. You will also learn strategies to shine when you publish, so your articles are powerful and you make the most of them. And also you will learn how to maximize your readership. Module 5 is the extra mile. So we'll go a little bit further. We'll analyze the impact of LinkedIn on your personal brand, and we'll learn advanced tactics to help you stay ahead of the competition and expand your reach. When we get to Module 6, the Boost, then you'll know whether LinkedIn Premium is a good fit for your career and for your business goals. And finally, Module 7, the Vault, is there to help you learn quick tips to ensure the safety of your data.